Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I will be showing you how to supervise your iOS device without a jailbreak. The method shown in this video is completely free and legit. As you can see, my device is now supervised. So there are two methods which I will show you. First of all is the MDC method, which will support all the MDC iOS versions, for example iOS 15.0 through 15.7.1 and iOS 16.0 to 16.1.2. and the second method is to supervise your device using any version which TrollStore supports. Now for the first method, which involves using sideloadly to install an app onto your MDC device, you will head to this official website, which is completely free and legit. You can see it right here. Then go to apps section, then scroll down until you see Supervise right here. So here you can see that you can use the first method, the MDC method, up to 15.7.1 on iOS 15 and up to 16.1.2 on iOS 16 MDC devices. So we will be using the first method first of all. So just hit here and it will get you the supervise.ipa file. Next, use sideloadly to install the app onto your device. Sideloadly is also completely free. Now to use sideloadly, make sure iTunes is installed before you use sideloadly. So get it directly from the official website. Do not get it from the Microsoft Store or it will not work. Now open sideloadly and connect your iOS device via USB. Then select the IPA, type in your Apple ID and hit start, put in your password, and the process will complete and you will have the Supervise app on your home screen. Now you can close out sideloadly. Now guys, on your device, before you can open the app, go to settings, then go to general, then go to device management and trust this app. And one more thing you have to do on iOS 16, you will head to settings, go to privacy, scroll all the way down, and here you will find developer mode. Please turn it on and then open the app. Also make sure Wi-Fi is connected before you trust this app. Open it and you will see this dialog. Hit OK and you will see that supervision is now enabled. All right, now you can close out of it. If you have settings open, close it out of the switcher. All right, then open it again and you will see that my supervision is now on. This iPhone is supervised and managed, so it is now on. Now you can simply delay OTA your device if you want. The delay OTA complete guide is in the description. Now if you want to turn it off right away, simply open the switcher and close the app and settings, and then open this app again and open it, and it will disable supervision right away. As you can see, disabling supervision, and it is done. Now open settings and you can see it is now disabled. Now let's talk about the second method, which only involves using TrollStore to install the Supervise app, and it will work on any version which you have TrollStore installed. All right, so simply open Safari and head to the official website as we did with the Supervise IPA file. So open it and then simply head to the apps section, scroll all the way down until you see Supervise, and then simply get the for TrollStore supervision app. Open it and then simply get the supervise.tpa file from here. So once it is complete, simply go home, open TrollStore, then hit the plus button and then install IPA file, and from here find the supervised.tpa and install it from here. Installed, and now you are good to go. You can simply open the app, but before close out of everything like your settings app, let's open it now. Okay, so you can see enabling supervision, and it is successfully enabled. Let's close it, open settings, and you can see the supervision is now on. And using this method, of course, you can delay OTA your device easily. Now to turn it off, simply open app switcher and close out of the app and settings, and then open it again, and it will disable supervision right away for you. Let's open settings again to confirm. Yes, now it is off. Last but not the least, the guide to the TrollStore installation for all the supported devices and versions is in the description if you don't know how to install TrollStore. So that's all for this video. If you still have questions, ask in the comment section. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.